Hello everybody, welcome back to C&S Corvettes. It's your Corvette buddy Lyle. Back to talk to you about more interesting and exciting Corvette stuff. This is just a brief video to tell you that we have an upcoming show that is open to the public and is here in the state of Florida, and we're hoping that if you guys want to come see us or visit us that you can do so. Let me give you some details. This is the NCRS, which stands for National Corvette Restorers Society Winter Regional. It takes place every year in Florida. And it used to be at Cypress Gardens, and it was Disney, and then it was at Kissimmee, and it's been all over the place, but it is under completely new management, and they are really trying to get it back up to where the public is really involved and gets to see all these beautiful cars. In addition to that, they are actually holding it not at a park, not at an empty lot. They are holding it at the American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida. This is a private collection of it's like 200,000 square feet indoors of just some of the most amazing cars ever made. And the admission to the show, if you want to come by the museum, January 17th through the 20th, is free. Now, the public is more than welcome. If you wish to go through the museum, there is a $25 fee for entry, but 100% of that $25 goes to charity. It doesn't go to the museum, it doesn't go to NCRS. The owner of that collection only takes money to give to charities. So this opportunity to get into this museum, which is not normally open to the public, and a chance to see a bunch of really beautifully restored classic Corvettes. There is going to be a swap meet, a fairly sizable swap meet of used original Corvette parts, which is rare anymore, especially in Florida. So if you need parts, if you want to see a cool museum, or if you just want to come say hi to us, we'd love to see you there. Again, that is at the American Muscle Car Museum in Melbourne, Florida, January 17th through the 20th. I hope to see you there.